welcome you to, I don't know what's the 8th, but I just heard that it's the 9th Governor's Ball. Kasinsin, the Congressman of the 2nd District, Congressman Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Let me also greet the visionary who is the reason why we are in charge. Ladies and gentlemen, Madam Lisa Araneta Marcos. Let me also greet and let me greet all of you from the various agencies, both national and provincial, the members of civil society, all of the various groups that are assembled here.